Hello, today we'll discuss the process how to apply for PATE exam for the BAMU University, Dr. Babasaheb Ambedkar Marathwada University. So you have to go at bamu.ac.in. In that PhD process, you have to click on the PhD admission. Now here is the link for PhD entrance test, PATE 1 2021. So click on it, you will see the different notifications regarding the PATE exam. So you can see here the first link for notification of PhD entrance test 2021. Then you can download the instructions, then the circular for the exempted candidates you can see. So click on the apply online for the PATE 1 first phase. This time the PATE is divided into the different phases where you have to apply. After clicking on the apply, you can create here your login. If you are registering for the first time, you have to click on the register here for the new candidate. Fill all the details and click on the submit button. Before that, you have to check the checkbox. I have read all the instructions and all that. I have read the notification and I agree with all the terms. Then submit it. So this is the registration for the phase 1. So after successful registration, you can enter the registration ID and password and you can log in, you can sign in. So this is how you can apply for the paid first phase. Now see the notification for PhD entrance test. After clicking, the PDF file will be downloaded. So you can see the different dates for the paid exam. Hurry up, today is the last day to apply for the paid. It is 11 January. This is the last date to apply online. So these are the different dates. Advertisement was on 13 December 2020. Now the commencement of the online application form is ending today. The online examination of PATE 1 will be on 30th January and the display of the result will be immediately on the 1st February. Then the display of the faculty and subject-wise list of eligible candidates for PATE 2. Then the admit card will be available for the PATE second phase. 13 Feb. Online examination of PATE 2 will be on 21st February. Declaration of the result will be on 24th Feb. Then the certificate of final result of PATE 1 and PATE 2 in the candidate login will be available on the 28th February. Then this is the all about the phase 1. Then the phase 2. Phase 2 will be for registration for the PhD admission. Those who have passed the PATE 1 and PATE 2 examination. The last date for the application will be 15th March. Last date of receiving the hard copy will be 28th March and the RRC meeting will be held on April 2021. Guys, this is very good news for you that the first time the BAMU University has declared the schedule for the registration as well as the RRC meeting. So you are first registering and then you have to appear for the RRC meeting where you will be giving the presentation on your topic. The admission to PhD program shall be available on the vacant seats at the research center and the vacant seats with the university recognized PhD supervisor. The paid fees is 1000 rupees for the open category and for others it is 600. Now download the other instructions for the PhD entrance test. So you can read out all these instructions. The PATE will be conducted in two phases, PATE 1 and PATE 2. PATE 1 shall consist of the duration of 90 minutes with 100 marks maximum. So it consists of 100 multiple choice questions on analytical reasoning, numerical ability, language competency, computer and environment awareness, logical reasoning, and data interpretation. There is negative marking, so remember you will get 1 mark for the correct answer and zero point 0.5 mark will be deducted for the wrong answer. The students has to score maximum 50 marks for the open category and 45 marks for the backward category to qualify the examination. So those who will qualify the paid 1 are eligible for paid 2. Paid 2 shall be online and subject specific including the research methodology. The paid 2 shall be online, okay? And the duration will be same 90 minutes for the 100 marks. A student who has secured minimum 40 marks in each section and 50 marks in the total to qualify the examination. So there they have applied the section wise cutoff, so it is quite difficult, so you have to prepare for all the sections equally to secure and to get qualified. The registration fees is 300 for open category and 200 for other backward class. Again, you must have read this circular regarding the paid 2021. So for the exempted candidates like who have qualified the UGC NET, UGC CSIR, NET including JRF, SLET, GATE, GPAT, SET, teacher FIP holders, or those who have passed the MPhil admitted through the entrance test will be exempted from the paid exam. And the phase 1 it is mentioned above online application form for paid examination. Only the eligible candidates can register and the exempted candidates are not required to register now. So there will be separate notification for those. So those who are having exemption may register in phase 2. These are you can apply on the apply online for phase 1, paid 1 phase. You can download the syllabus as per your branch. So these are the branches. If your branch is not listed in this, you have to wait for the new notification for your branch.